Hello again, everyone. Imagine waking up each day with a renewed sense of strength, boundless energy, and the confidence to take on anything life throws your way, all without the looming worry of muscle loss that often comes with aging. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, today's topic could be the game changer you've been waiting for. We're diving deep into a powerful subject that has the potential to transform how you move, feel, and live. Say goodbye to muscle loss with these 7 powerhouse foods that actively fight sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. If you've ever noticed your muscles feeling weaker than they used to, or you're simply looking for natural and effective ways to regain strength and vitality, you're in the right place. These foods can serve as your foundation for a stronger, more resilient body. But before we begin, take just a moment to click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. That one small action helps keep you informed with the latest health tips, and it also supports our mission to share expert-backed, accessible advice with people just like you. Your support genuinely fuels our drive to create more life-enhancing content. We're going to count down from number 7 to number 1, providing a straightforward and practical guide that's packed with tips you can use today. Whether you're at the beginning of your health journey or simply looking to improve your current habits, there's something here for everyone. Let's jump right in. 1. Quinoa. Quinoa might be small in size, but don't let that fool you. It's a nutritional powerhouse that has been celebrated for centuries, particularly by ancient civilizations like the Incas, who referred to it as the mother of all grains. What sets quinoa apart is that it's a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids, something rarely found in plant-based foods. This makes it especially valuable for muscle repair, maintenance, and growth. On top of that, quinoa is rich in fiber, magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, all of which play a key role in overall health and energy production. Its high fiber content also supports satiety, which helps with weight management, a critical part of preserving lean muscle mass as we age. And thanks to its subtle nutty flavor and fluffy texture, quinoa is incredibly versatile. Add it to salads, stir it into soups, or use it as a base for your main meals. No matter how you prepare it, quinoa delivers muscle-nourishing goodness in every bite. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is more than just a creamy treat. It's a nutritional gem for anyone looking to support muscle health. What makes it stand out is the straining process, which removes much of the liquid, whey, and lactose found in regular yogurt, concentrating the protein content significantly. That concentrated protein helps with muscle repair, regeneration, and post-workout recovery. It's particularly effective when consumed after exercise, when your body craves amino acids to begin rebuilding tissue. In addition to protein, Greek yogurt is a great source of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and smooth muscle contractions. It also delivers probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health, ensuring you absorb nutrients more efficiently. Enjoy it plain, sweetened with fruit, or blended into smoothies. However you choose to enjoy it, Greek yogurt is a delicious, effective way to fuel your muscles and keep your digestive system running smoothly. 3. Salmon. Salmon isn't just delicious. It's one of the most potent foods for muscle preservation and repair. What makes it so powerful? First, its omega-3 fatty acid content. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, promote faster recovery, and enhance overall circulation. Omega-3s are known to protect muscle tissue from breakdown, especially as we age. But that's just the beginning. Salmon is also an exceptional source of complete, high-quality protein, necessary for rebuilding muscle fibers after physical activity. Additionally, salmon provides a rich supply of vitamins B12 and D, both of which play roles in energy production, immune function, and muscle health. It also contains selenium, an antioxidant mineral that aids in reducing muscle fatigue and damage. Whether it's grilled, baked, or steamed, including salmon in your diet a few times a week can be a delicious and powerful strategy for improving your muscle health and long-term vitality. 4. Eggs. Eggs are a true superfood for muscle health. Simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. Each egg contains a near-perfect profile of high-quality protein, along with essential amino acids, especially leucine, which is a key driver of muscle protein synthesis. They're also rich in vitamin D, crucial for maintaining bone density and muscle strength, and vitamin B12, which supports energy production at the cellular level. Another lesser-known nutrient in eggs is choline, vital for brain function and muscle control. 5. Spinach. Spinach is far more than just a salad ingredient. It's a nutritional force for those looking to maintain and enhance muscle health. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and magnesium, spinach supports oxygen delivery, energy metabolism, and healthy muscle contraction. One of its biggest advantages is its antioxidant content. Spinach contains powerful compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin that protect your cells, including muscle cells, from oxidative stress, which can cause damage over time. It's also a rich source of nitrates, which have been linked to improved blood flow and muscle efficiency, especially during exercise. Adding spinach to your diet is simple. Toss it into smoothies, stir it into pasta, or sauté it for a quick and tasty side. This leafy green helps keep your muscles strong, efficient, and well-nourished. 6. Almonds. Almonds may be small, but their impact is mighty. These crunchy, satisfying nuts are packed with plant-based protein, healthy fats, and fiber, all essential for maintaining muscle mass and supporting energy levels. They're a fantastic source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle tissues from damage. The magnesium in almonds also plays a critical role in regulating muscle contractions, minimizing cramping, and enhancing recovery after workouts. Snacking on almonds or incorporating them into meals, such as salads, yogurt bowls, or smoothies, offers a clean energy boost while actively supporting muscle resilience and strength. They also help stabilize blood sugar, which supports sustained energy and reduces cravings that can undermine your health goals. 7. Chicken breast. At the top of the list is a true staple of muscle-building nutrition: chicken breast. This lean meat is revered for its high protein content and low fat profile, making it ideal for those aiming to build or maintain muscle without adding excess calories. Every serving of chicken breast delivers all essential amino acids, including leucine, valine, and isoleucine, key players in muscle repair and growth. After a tough workout or even just a busy day, your body craves these nutrients to recover and rebuild. Chicken is also rich in B vitamins, especially B6 and niacin, which help convert food into energy and keep your metabolism running efficiently. With its neutral flavor and versatility, you can prepare chicken in countless ways, from stir-fries to salads to hearty soups. By incorporating chicken breast regularly into your diet, you're giving your muscles the foundational nutrients they need to stay strong, recover faster, and perform at their peak. We genuinely appreciate you spending time with us and diving into these essential insights. If you've been searching for natural ways to rebuild your strength, prevent muscle loss, and feel more energized each day, remember, it all begins with nutrition. These 7 foods aren't just items on a list. They're tools for transformation. By making small, consistent changes to your meals, you're taking meaningful steps towards stronger, healthier muscles and a more active life. If this video helped you or gave you new ideas, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more clear, actionable health tips. Your support allows us to continue creating content that inspires and empowers people just like you. Stay dedicated to your wellness journey. Continue making progress day by day. And remember, we're right here with you every step of the way. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, Nourish your body, honor your health, and keep moving forward with strength and purpose.